another 19 days to go. I hope you guys get the picture. Well, let's go to the next frame and see what is next. I guess this is the plan. Where do I need to start? You will need to sign up to our members list, of course. You will need to open an account with a broker, and this is something that we can assist you with. You will need to dedicate a minimum of 90 minutes a day to trading. Now, that's something that we can't really assist you with. That has to do with dedication. That has to do with investment of your time. It has nothing to do with money investment. It's like going to the gym. You have to dedicate yourself at least 90 minutes per day in order to achieve the success that we are claiming. How long does this take? From start to finish, you should be live in 24 hours. What would be my total investment? Total investment, the first part will be 249 membership fee, and that's a nominal fee. The second part will be a deposit into your trading account. Most people would start with a simulation account for the first few weeks in order to familiarize themselves with the charts, with the ordering software, and those are free until you decide to go live. Most charting softwares charge about $50 a month once you go live, and for the futures broker, you would probably have to put $2,500, and again, that's a minimal amount as well. If you think about starting a business for $2,500, I don't know any other businesses that could be done for that low of a price. For the futures market, it's a little different. You can start with a $300 account. It just depends how much you want to trade and what you're looking to get out of it. But a $300 account with a broker will get you into the Forex, and you can start trading immediately. The next question, I guess, that comes to mind is, when should I expect results? I would say immediately. There is no time frame. The market moves all the time. We take profits all the time. The rest depends on the individual. The timeline for an individual to get signed up to all the services required, and that's what we covered in the previous chapter. And from there, how long does it take an individual to master the tools required to trade? The tools are the charts and the ordering process and so on and so on. Each individual is different. I would say, to be on the safe side, it would probably take about 10 days to really master it. To become, semi-proficient at it, where we can enter trades, probably about 4 days. About 4 days of being in the room and doing simulation and working with the charts. Again, the signals will be there. Our expert traders will call the trades, and you'll see it live, like you're in a classroom or in a room. So all you really have to do is, you don't need to know much. You just have to be able to follow him. In order to follow him or her, you would need to know how to use your charts and your ordering, and but that's about it. It should not take you more than that. But again, we will assist you with with the free trial versions and of the charting software and so on to get you up and running as soon as possible. The next question, I guess, what would be is, how much time do I need to dedicate? Well, that is something that we've gone through in the past, and we require about 90 minutes a day. Some people will trade 17 hours a day, right? And you could do that because we have 2 rooms available. We have the e-mini room and the Forex room. The e-mini room opens at 9 o'clock in the morning and runs till 4 o'clock. And our Forex rooms is usually in the evenings and overnight, because we do trade the China and London market. So if you work all day, you can trade in the afternoon. If you want to trade both, you can. You can trade from 8 to 4 and then come back at about 6 o'clock and trade till about 3 in the morning. So there's trading all the time. We're basically open about 18 hours a day. Once the Forex room and futures room are ready to go, you can be there all day. How much knowledge do I need? This is probably the hardest question to answer. I've been trading for over 17 years, and I'm still learning every day because the markets are changing every day. You will not become a professional trader overnight. Whoever tells you that, that's a pure myth. It takes years and years of experience and knowledge and dedication and patience and perception. It takes a long time to become a professional trader. There's not one book that's going to make you a professional trader. There's not one e-course that's going to make you a professional trader. It just comes with practice, and practice takes time. It's like everything else. The more you practice, the better you get at it. But it's not overnight. Nobody's going to tell you it's overnight. We don't claim to make an individual a professional trader. We're not looking to do that. We're looking to to assist an individual with getting consistently profits from the market by following our expert traders. Along the way, you will learn how to trade. Watching the charts on a daily basis, you will learn how to trade. There's no doubt about it. But you don't need to sit around for 3 years learning this and losing a lot of money along the way in order to become a professional trader. You can be making money while learning to become a professional trader. How much training do I need? We do offer training, of course. We do have classrooms throughout the week, right from beginner to expert. These are small classrooms. We don't take more than 10 people, at a time. It's an open forum where you ask questions. There will be training on the day's trades. There will be training on discipline, on patience, on state of mind, on actual signals, on actual price movement, and so on and so on and so on and so on. And you will find a lot